Chicago has issued a snow squall warning for northern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:45 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Clinton to 7 miles east of Massbach, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: poor visibility in snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 112 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 30. Locations impacted include Rockford, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, South Beloit, Brockton, Poplar Grove, Byron, Mount Morris, Polo, Rockford Airport, Candlewick Lake, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Pecatonica, Forreston, Durand and Capron. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Serious injuries and deaths may result from people exiting their vehicles during a snow squall. Drivers may not be able to see or to stop. If stopped on the roadway or involved in an accident, quickly exit your vehicle. Move as far away from the roadway as possible only when it is safe to do so. Do not stand along or near the roadway, since approaching vehicles may be unable to maintain control. Here